In this video, I'm going to show you where to find promo codes for Superbalist. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to be going over to Google for this demonstration. And in the Google search box, I'm going to type in Superbalist promo codes. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit search, and then we be brought to the list of Google search results here. And as you can see, we've got Superbalist themselves have promo codes you can check out. 40% off. We got Refrift It, 40% off as well. We got shopper.com. So you can check out any one of these sites, but for this demonstration, I'm going to go to Refrift It for this promo code deal. And a good thing about this site here, you can check out the history of the promo code. So if we click on show history, you can see when this code was used. So this was used 1 day ago, and it was reported working by shoppers 3 hours ago, which is super handy because we do know that these codes do expire. And another cool fact, or another fact you should know, that these sites do change their codes daily, weekly, and monthly. So check them out at later dates for different deals as well. So to activate this deal, this 35% off your purchase, simply click on code, paste that code at the checkout section of Superbalist to enjoy 35% off your purchase.